Hello guys and welcome to ASG channel, and this evening we have some really good news. I will try to be as specific as possible and as quick as possible with the story. So basically what happened, a friend of mine, a really good, a professional, told me that he will be painting my scooter. He will be able to, he will have time. That's the most important part. Lots of the professionals in my country do not have time to work on your, projects or help you out. A guy who paints professionally, restores the shape of if there are any bends on the surface or any cuts, any rusted surface, he can rebuild that part completely if it's rusted. But luckily I do not have any rusted parts. I just have this little defect which has to be welded back. I don't have any major defects. I've been really glad because I've seen with my own eyes his projects and I was astonished with the quality of his works, of his painted machines, cars, scooters, motorcycles. He paints anything, and he does it on such a professional level. As I am polishing motorcycle parts, he has an order for me. Actually, there is a whole bunch of parts there on the table. I don't know if you can see that. There are lots of parts from a BMW, very old, 1971 coupe. I can't remember the full name of that BMW, but it's a sport car, super expensive. And he said, you know what? I will give you that bunch of parts. You will polish them. You will restore the shape because the majority of them are bent. And I said, that's the best deal I've ever had. So I have those parts which I have to reshape or restore the shape of, and in exchange, the message of all what I said, in exchange for polishing those parts for his customer, I will get this scooter completely repainted. So it's a exchange deal. Also, I will get the seat recovered with the new materials, which is also included into that deal. Damn! You might say that sounds too good to be true, but well, I trust that guy because he painted lots of bikes for lots of my friends, which I trust too. So it's actually 1 o'clock in the morning. What I have to do is completely turn this scooter into pieces because the guy is gonna come tomorrow, maybe around 10 or 11 o'clock. As I am now, 1 o'clock in the morning, if I go sleep now, I will wake up around 9 or 10 o'clock. He will arrive just when I'll start disassembling the scooter, so that's a no-no. The only way to get the scooter done for tomorrow is to do this thing now. Well, I don't know how much time it will take me, but I'm talking too much, and I'm sorry for that. Alright, let's get to the work. It's getting colder. The weather is garbage right here. I actually never disassembled the headlamp since I bought it. Oh, okay. Bulbs are already here. They're still here. Oh, and they're good. Should preserve them. Давай. Сука. Давай. Ух, ебать. Yeah. I'm not giving up without a fight. Yeah, boy. We're just getting out. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah! That's what I'm talking. What is that?
Oh shit. Can't see anything. Oh god. How do you call this thing in English? I forgot. Alright, never mind. Just yeah! Pedal is out. Hooray! Yeah! Speedometer cable is down, now I can reach this bolt which unscrews the handlebar. Let's go, gamers.
Yeah! We finally took out the handlebar. This one is definitely out of WD-40. What a convenience. I ran out of such a needed lubricant. Jesus Christ. What a time to be alive. Are you going to disappoint the daddy? Yeah, that's what I'm talking. Yeah. Woo!
Another one.
Cuff is not even working anymore. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you tomorrow. Holy shit. Oh my god.
Well guys, finally, I'm so glad. I've been waiting an eternity for this guy to come here. I'm so nervous. He's gonna come here and pick up those parts to his own paint shop. Oh god, and people keep messaging me here, Jesus Christ. I didn't expect him to be this late actually. I have a couple of parts for him to take from his order because I finished them. Like around 12 parts already done. I mean, with the polishing. Now, when he comes here, just for the sake of the safety, I'm going to take those parts and leave them just the other side of the gates. Oh god, someone is messaging me. Alright, I'm sorry. So I'll leave them just the other side of the gates, so to avoid the contact. So he picks them up and put them in his in the back of his minivan. And also I want him to know about a couple of details, a couple of defects, maybe hidden defects which I noticed, and I'll let him know about them before he actually starts working on them. Well, you got my point here. Maybe just having some giggles, some laughs, some jokes. Alright. Alright guys, so finally this guy came here and picked up my parts. He was in a hurry, so he didn't really want to engage in the filming. He didn't really want to be filmed actually, which is kind of understandable. You don't really want to be a superstar, but anyway, I'm super glad he picked up my parts. I'm finally moving this project forward, and he will be telling me how much time it will take. That's the most important part. Alright, so thank you so much for watching guys. Hit like, subscribe, and actually check out my donations link in the description if you want to support the cause and the channel. Consider donating as much as you want, and see you in the next one. Bye!